how to find caller ID settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile, and once you're here click this settings icon and then go to this one here, caller ID, and here you can manage it. As you see, you can change your true color style, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.